Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, how are you today? So in today's video, we're going to be doing this look right here, which is a cool vampy look, and I'm going to be using the Violet Voss Pro palette, the Ride or Die to be exact. So if you want to know how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy, first time in so long.
To get started on this look, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Eye Primer and just apply it with the applicator and use my fingers to tap it in.
Felt the heat evaporating your bindings, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here, bold and bright.
The palette I'm using today is the Violet Voss Pro Ride or Die palette, and the first shade I'm going into is called Skylar. And I apologize since I was so close to the mirror that I didn't know that you couldn't even see it, but basically what I'm doing is just patting that color into my lid and just building up the color. The next shade I'm using is called Nicole, and I'm going to apply it to my crease while blending out that Skylar color and also taking it up to my brow bone. Now I'm going to take my dose of color concealer and apply it to the center of my lid, creating a soft halo eye effect. After creating the soft halo effect, I'm going to go back into that color Skylar and just blend out the edges. The next shade I'm using is called Alex, and I'm going to apply it directly on top of that concealer. And I'm so sorry, I do not mean to flip everyone off. I just use my middle finger automatically. I do not know why. Going back into Skylar, and I'm just going to make sure that it's blended well into the Alex color. The next shade I'm going to take is called Fiona, and I'm going to use this shade and apply it right in the center of Alex. I'm going to create a winged liner using my NYX Cosmetics liner, and I'm also going to go ahead and curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I must say that I just recently purchased this one and it's becoming one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. For lashes, I'm going to go ahead and use the Lava Lashes in the style Charm. For primers, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. Now, I received this in my BoxyCharm add-on, and I knew it was going to be small, but I didn't know it was going to be this small. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and I'm in the shade 118.
I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue, but there are days you feel.
For concealer, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors concealer, and I'm going to be using the shade 05 Fair. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Perfecting Coconut Setting Powder, and once again, I received this mini one in my BoxyCharm that I purchased. Once again, super tiny. I knew it was going to be small, but not this tiny. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. And for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in Sunlight. To finish my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the color called Carly, and using a small detailed brush, I'm going to take it really close to my waterline. Going back into the color Nicole, I'm going to use it to blend out the color Carly to make everything a lot more blended and seamless and not so harsh. For my lower lashes, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Tarte Man Eater Mascara. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Coconut Gel Highlighters in the shade Do You. And again, it's very tiny. To line my lips, I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner Iced Latte Lip Liner. And then to put on all over my lips, I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Los Angeles.
I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the moonlight.
So that is it, guys. That is today's look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so you don't miss a video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!
Move like the moonlight.